With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi guys, here is the question. During acetylation of amines, what is replacing by acetyl groups? Okay, so guys, we know that the above reaction is acetylation. The above reaction is acetylation of methylamine which is a primary amine, okay. So in this compound, one or more hydrogen attached to the nitrogen atom, okay. In this compound, one or more hydrogen attached to nitrogen atom is replaced by acetyl group, okay. So guys, the reaction occur like that: CH3 NH2, this is methylamine, plus CH3 C double bond O Cl, this is acetyl chloride, okay. In the presence of pyridine, it gives CH3 NH C double bond CH3 plus HCl, this is N-methyl acetamide, N-methyl acetamide, okay. So guys, correct option is C, one or more hydrogen atom attached to the nitrogen atom, okay. Option C. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.